How to find competitors' Facebook ads. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can find competitors' Facebook ads. Now, to find a competitor's Facebook ad, you can use a Facebook ad library which provides transparency into the ads that are currently running on the platform. Here's how you can access and use Facebook ad library to find competitors' ad. So first of all, you know the drill. Check your internet connection and update your application. After that, go ahead and open up a web browser, and then on the web address bar you'll need to type in www.facebook.com/ad/library. You can also find the link on my description box below. As you can see right at the bottom, there is a search bar. So there you'll need to type in the competitors page or the name, and in the transparency page, scroll down to the bottom and click on ad activity. Here you'll be able to see a summary of the ad currently active in the selected region. This includes information about the numbers of ads when they're started running. After that, go ahead and click on Go to Ad Library. Link to view all the ads from this pages. This will take you a more detailed page of the current and the past ad. You can filter ads by country, ad example, active, inactive, issues or politics, and add impressions as well. So this allows you to see that specific ad being run in your region and gain insight into the ad strategies. Now, to get more information about the specific ad, click on the ad. This will display the ad's content, engagement metrics, and other details as well. You can also take a note of the ad creativity, copy, target, and engage, like comments, shares, and all that. This information can help you understand your competitors' advertising approach and may inspire your own strategies. By studying your competitors' Facebook ad, you can gain valuable insight into their marketing tactic, target audience, and messages. So these were the steps on how you can find competitors' Facebook ads. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.